Welcome back everybody, and today we're going over Harbor Freight's 10 days of deals, and today we're going over day number 3, which is 35% off of all Central Machinery shop fans. Let's go ahead and take a look at this and I'll tell you the sales price. So let's get started. Alright, the first fan we got here is a 24-inch 2-speed high-velocity shop van. Regular price on this one is going to be $149.99. With the 35% off of this, it's going to be $97.49. So let's click on this and take a look on what you guys think of this, because I like seeing what everybody thinks so we can make sure this is a great deal or not. So we're going to go in here to customer reviews, click on that. We got a 47 out of 5 on this, and you can see here we do not have the fish hook. It just keeps going smaller all the way down. This one is 95% of you would recommend this one. That's a little bit low on some of the stuff that I've been checking this on lately, but 95% is still good, so it looks like it's a good deal, and you guys do recommend this one. Next one we got here is a 30-inch 3-speed pedestal high-velocity shop fan for $169.99 regular price. Sales price on that with the 35% off is going to be $110.49, and let's take a look at this one. Alright, now we're at customer reviews, and we got another 4.7 out of 5. We do not have the fish hook going on. It just gets smaller as you go down. Very nice, and 96% of you guys would recommend this. So once again, this is another one. It looks like it's a pretty good sale on this one, and it's recommended. Next up here, we have the 20-inch 3-speed high-velocity fan for $59.99. 35% off on this one's going to be $38.99. Let's take a look at what you guys think of it. This one's looking a little bit better here. This one is a 4.8 out of 5. No fish hook going on with the stars. And 98% of you recommend this, so this one is definitely a great price on it, and it looks like it is highly recommended. Then finishing off this row, we got something new here. This is the 24-inch wall mount fan. $149.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one will be $97.49. Now this one looks like it's highly recommended. It's 4.9 out of 5. We only have 4 and 5 stars going on. Very nice. 100% of you would recommend this one. Now we got the 8-inch portable ventilator. This is $89.99. Sales price on this one will be $58.49. Let's take a look at what you guys think about this one. Alright, this one is not as good as the other ones. This one's got a 4.5 out of 5. You can see we're starting to get the little bit of the fish hooking going on here. And only 91% of you recommend this one. This is the lowest one out of all the ones in the sale. I'll leave this one up to you guys on what you think about it. And there you have it. There is day 3 of the 10 days of deals. The 35% off of Central Machines shop fans. Very nice, good prices on these. Looks like a lot of them are highly recommended. If you guys are picking one of these up, leave a comment down below. If you're disappointed in this sale, leave a comment down below. I like hearing from you guys. Love talking to you guys down in the comments. So always don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.